YouTube TV pricing in the USA. YouTube TV offers a comprehensive live TV streaming service with various plans and add-ons. Here's a detailed breakdown of the current pricing and available options. 1. Base plan. Monthly cost, $72.99 per month. Features. Access to over 100 live channels, including major networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and more. Unlimited cloud DVR storage with recordings stored for up to 9 months. Up to 3 simultaneous streams. 2. Spanish plan. Monthly cost, $34.99 per month. Features. Over 28 Spanish language channels, including ESPN Deportes, Discovery and Español, and Fox Deportes. Unlimited cloud DVR storage. Up to 3 simultaneous streams. 3. 4K plus add-on. Monthly cost, $9.99 per month for the first 12 months. $19.99 thereafter. Benefits. Access to select content in 4K resolution. Offline downloads on mobile devices. Unlimited simultaneous streams at home. 4. Sports plus add-on. Monthly cost, $10.99 per month. Includes additional sports networks such as NFL Red Zone, Fox College Sports, GoTV, and more. Access to hundreds of live games and events. 5. Premium channels. Pricing. Available at varying monthly costs. Options includes premium channels like HBO Max, Showtime, Starz, and others. Additional information. Free trial. YouTube TV typically offers a free trial period for new subscribers. No annual contract. Subscriptions are month-to-month, providing flexibility to cancel at any time. Device compatibility. Available on smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming devices, and web browsers. This structure allows YouTube TV users to customize their subscription based on their viewing preferences, with a range of add-ons to enhance the experience.